Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2024 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. Of course, it's a 21-foot length, 8-foot 6-inch beam, fuel capacity of 40 gallons, and a seating capacity of 12 persons. Beginning here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the Mercury 200 in white. Really great look for this boat. You also have sea deck throughout the boat, beginning here on the swim platform. You have your ski tow bar, 12-volt charger, battery access here, more storage in the floor. All the cup holders have LED lighting. As you move into the cockpit, this boat has the stone interior, which is a very popular color. One thing Sea Ray's always been known for is their upholstery. Great look, great detail. The rear seat pops up, so if you're anchored out, you want to hang out on the transom. You also have a very large storage compartment. One of the greatest features on this boat. Lots of room for your beach chairs, umbrellas, all your equipment. Under the seat, under a full piano hinge, you have a built-in cooler or storage compartment. Storage under this seat over here as well. Slide-out cooler under this seat. This boat is equipped with the sport tower, which has the integrated bimini top. As we move up to the helm, you have Mercury digital throttle. You also have the Simrad chart plotter, which has all your engine data built into it. Fusion Bluetooth radio. Storage in a glove box arrangement here with more storage underneath. All the way forward in the bow, this boat has the bow filler cushion, so you can make this whole area a sun pad. All the way forward, you have your anchor locker here as well. This boat does have the Sea Ray blue hull side, probably the most popular color in this lineup. Well, again, my name is John Wright. Be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.